Hey guys, I'm back at it again with another video. Joined with my cousin Owen. I don't know if you can see him, but okay.
I'm not that tall. See, look.
He's on one of his bikes, and
We're gonna do
he wants to do a review today. So we're gonna do a review on that bad boy. Yeah. Owen.
Well, crap. It's electric. It's a razor, and I guess.
Is it fun?
You know my answer to that, do you?
What? No, I don't.
Yes. Very.
Number 5. You know you gotta always read the caution, kids.
Nah, I don't read the caution. I don't do that crap.
Yeah, he's a daredevil.
Okay. It doesn't go that.
It doesn't go that fast. It goes like 5, 6, 10 miles an hour.
No, like.
He says 10 to 20.
It does. You just gotta give it a. Ow, crap.
You gotta go down a hill.
Yeah, you gotta go.
You gotta go down a hill, people. Hopefully it's not too bumpy. I'm running trying to get beside him.
Okay.
Hey, Papa Willie.
Bad.
Papa Willie. Do it again.
I need these things on.
Yeah.
Can't do it right now. I gotta get up this way.
Yeah. You can't Papa Willie that good. Hey, Owen, you want to take the camera so I can show him?
I know. I haven't charged them in about a year.
Haven't had it a year. You got it for Christmas.
Dude, I got it at Thanksgiving.
Okay, we're back.
Everybody, I'm 5'2", but I'm gonna try to ride this thing.
Yeah. This is about a 75, probably. It's probably a 75, and it's probably a Honda.
It's not. Oh, you have it all. There it goes.
It's a Honda.
A Honda?
Yeah. It's a
Razor / Honda, people.
No, a Honda is a type of dirt bike. Hey, you're not allowed to ride down. You're not allowed to ride on the road.
I'm turning around.
Sorry. We have some.
You need to charge this thing, dang.
I know I do. I haven't took it in a spin since like 5 months ago. So,
Let me tell Papa Willie.
dude, it's like impossible. You gotta be very strong. You gotta have these muscles.
You ain't got muscles.
You gotta have these muscles. Trent is coughing. And my dad has a GMC. Okay, number 5. Here we go. What's that?
You're gonna have to get beside me.
Okay, go. It's going super fast, kids. Just looks like.
Like 7,000 miles an hour.
You gotta have big muscles. Big muscles. Okay, I don't know why I just did that. But
Turn around in the grass.
that thing.
Papa Willie. Oh, but you're gonna have to get beside me. Don't
Okay.
turn it upside down in the video.
Oh yeah. Wait, can you add some music on this?
No.
No.
I can when I download an app. Okay, so you're gonna have to get beside me.
Wait 1 sec. I'm gonna pause this.
You're gonna have
Okay, I just had to do that. I just wanted to do that real bad.
You have to get right beside me.
Yeah, this thing's pretty sucky, if you know what I mean.
Get to the front tire.
There it goes. We told you it was pretty fast. Well, you know what would be a good way how to end this?
Like me falling off?
No. One sec, guys. Flip it over, Trent. On the grass. Flip it over. No. Actually, flip it over.
Oh, like flip it over?
Yeah. Flip it over. Yeah. Now, all you gotta do is just go back some more. There you go. Now, okay. Now you're gonna.
Peace.
Do that piece again.
Peace. Talk to you tomorrow.
See you in the next video.